Hello friends, today we are going to learn crop production and management. Crop. When plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Types of crop. Kharif crop. The crops which are sown in the rainy seasons are called Kharif crop. The rainy season in India is from June to September. For example, paddy, maize, soyabean, groundnut, cotton, etc. Rabi crops. The crops grown in the winter season are Rabi crops. Their time period is generally from October to March. For example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. Basic practices of crop production. Cultivation of crops involves several activities. These activities are referred a agriculture practice. These activities are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, storage. Preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. This allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allows the root to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworm and microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friends for farmers since they further turn and loose the soil and add humus to it. Tilling. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. Agricultural implements for tilling. Plow. In old days, people used wooden plow, but in nowadays, people use iron plow. Agricultural implements for tilling. Hoe. It's a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. Cultivator. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor. The use of cultivator saves labor and time. Sowing. Selection of seeds. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clear and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Tools used for sowing seeds. Traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like funnel. The seeds are filled in the funnel, passed down through two or three pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. Seed drill. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at proper distances and depths. It also ensures that seeds gets covered within the soil. Manures and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants or animal waste. It can be prepared in the fields. It provides a lot of humus to the soil. It is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Fertilizer is an inorganic salt. They are prepared in factories. It does not provide any humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. For example, urea, ammonium sulfate, potash, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. A man adding fertilizers. Irrigation. The supply of water to the crops at different intervals is called irrigation. Sources of irrigation. The sources of irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, and canals. Types of irrigation. Traditional method, modern method. Traditional method of irrigation. Chain pump, moat, Defli, Rahat. Modern method of irrigation. Sprinkler system, drip system. Protection of weeds. Weeds. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with a crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. Weeds can be controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides. A man spraying weedicides. Harvesting. Harvesting of a crop is an important task. Cutting of a crop after its maturation is called harvesting. It can be done manually with the help of a sickle or by a machine called harvester or combine. In the harvested crop, the grains are separated from the chaff by the process of winnowing and threshing. Storage. Farmers have to store grains in jute bags or metallic bin. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect them from pests like rats and insects. Animal husbandry. Animals reared at home or in farms have to provide with proper food, shelter, and care. When it is done on a large scale, it is called animal husbandry.